Today I'm profiling a coin that is currently available on eBay as a standard auction with about 2 days left. This is an absolutely phenomenal coin, okay, and it is a 1966 double struck Roosevelt dime. Okay, so the secondary impression is offset from the original first strike of the coin. So we're going to take a look at a few things, okay? So right now it's at $420, again, with a few days left. We're going to explore where this coin will sell at, okay? So we're going to talk about the ceiling on this one. We're going to talk a little bit about the market for these type of coins, because in terms of error coins and various oddities of that nature, a double struck coin is right up there. It's one of the most sought after coins. And finally, how can we tell a difference between this example, okay, and usually every time I throw up a coin on, you know, the double struck error, someone's going to say, well, no, that's a vice job. Yeah, this is not the case. Even though this coin is presented as not graded, which I'm totally fine with it, as long as you know what you're looking for and the pictures are nice and clear, you can make that call. And the cool thing about buying a coin that is raw, uncertified, is you'll get it for a little bit cheaper than what the market usually commands for a coin that is slabbed in a holder. So let's talk a little bit about the value. Okay, so I've seen a number of these pop up in various denominations, from pennies all the way up to dollars, actually. And the coins, you know, will vary in price dependent on two things: how offset that secondary strike is, and do you see a full date on the secondary impression. Okay, on this particular coin, okay, you see only one, okay, which is a 1966. It is the primary date on the first strike. There is no secondary strike that exhibits the date, which would be just absolutely bonkers. It would be absolutely awesome. It's not going to dock too much money from the coin as far as the final value. I mean, it is at $420 for a raw coin. However, the coin in itself is really nice. Looks like it was found in change, possibly. These do pop up in change, by the way. I wasn't sure if you knew that, but a lot of the vice jobs do show up as well. And ultimately, I see this one, and it's so tough. It's so tough right now because I would say over the summer, this one has hit its ceiling. But now that we're in the busy time of the year for coins, this one could possibly reach the $600 to $700 level. If it went beyond that, I would not be surprised, because these coins are just so gosh darn hot right now in the marketplace that, you know, that extra $200-300 is not you know, outside of the realm of possibility on this one. So here's images of the reverse, by the way. As you can tell, you know, a legitimate example of this coin will exhibit raised secondary features. I know that's kind of hard to comprehend, but if you had a vice job or a garage job type coin, okay, you would have incuse, which means the impression is pushed in. The details would be sunken as opposed to raised on the coin. And if you were able to see letters, okay, they would actually be in reverse, as opposed to the traditional standard way of reading, you know, where everything is oriented correctly. So that would be your main, you know, your main diagnostic. Plus, on a garage job or a vice job, you know, the most popular method of, you know, duplicating a double strike would be to do it 100% on the face. You know, they'll attempt to do a rotated in collar type affair, where they sandwich the two coins right on top of each other with no offset whatsoever. Okay, so that seems to be the common preferred method. And with that being said, you'll see a lot of damage on the rim itself as a result of that type of method of manufacture for a fake double strike. So absolutely phenomenal coin. Let's see, what else am I missing? Not a whole lot. The coin, long term, I could see this thing pushing $1,000 at one point. Now, coins fluctuate with the market in a way. If the market's really good, coins are worth less. People are just not looking for these type of pieces to, hedge money against inflation for. And this will be a coin in a down market or a recession that'll hit 1,000 to 1,500 real easily. And yeah, there's going to be no issues liquidating this coin, and it's only going to enhance its value over time. It is a clad coin, but that's fine. It is an early clad coin that exhibits a really neat error. So that's where we're at on this one. If you find a coin much like this one in pocket change, okay, you know exactly what to look for. These coins are absolutely neat. They are searchable. The more money that you search through, the better your odds are of finding these. I mean, they are pretty rare, but I found a couple of them myself in pennies, and I've done pretty well flipping them as a result. But that is our eBay Spotlight profile coin of the week, and it's a 1966 double struck secondary offset impression. Roosevelt dime is a clad piece, and again, I see this thing selling between $500 to $700. A truly marvelous looking example, and yeah, keep an eye out on this. It's truly neat. If you enjoyed today's content, as always, help me out a little bit. Go ahead and give me a great big like, and subscribe to Blue Ridge Silverhound if you enjoy the content. We talk coins all day long. It's a lot of fun. And most importantly, I hope you guys have a wonderful day today. We are past the midweek point, and we are full swing in the holiday season here. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.